this controversy, but that notwithstanding, I thought nature abhors a vacuum. And when there is a vacuum, we have to fill it and proceed. Because we cannot afford to say, well, government is not here, so what? I mean, the reason why some of us are here is to make sure if things are not moving correct, we try to do our best to improvise a whole proceeding. After all, Right Honorable Speaker, I have, as you know, I am the chairman of the Rules Committee. There is no rule that says motions of this nature are moved by government. It is purely a practice. And if this practice has a problem, let us fill in the vacuum and proceed and pay tribute to our late colleague. Right Honorable Speaker, if I may proceed, appreciating that the Honorable Ssegirinya was deeply passionate about community mobilization, journalism, and food security, especially in his constituency, as exemplified through passionate advocacy of various causes, including community mobilization for health services through the construction of Kawempe North Hospital, from which his constituents and Ugandans accessed free health care services, fundraising for his constituents during the COVID-19 pandemic, and protection and promotion of rights of the less privileged Ugandans to access free to air television channels during the 2015 migration from analog broadcasting to digital platforms. Now, therefore, be it resolved by this House as follows: that Parliament collectively conveys its deep condolences to the bereaved family, relatives, friends, and the people of Uganda for the loss of a distinguished citizen of this country. Parliament takes cognizance of the dedicated service and contribution that Honorable Ssegirinya has rendered to the people of Uganda in general and in particular the people of Kawempe Division North Constituency. Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Thank you. Is the motion seconded?
Speaker, as you rightly put it, I am moving this motion by virtue of being currently in the chambers to be the most senior. And I take it as an honor and a privilege. Right Honorable Speaker, this is a motion for a resolution of Parliament to pay tribute to the late Honorable Mohammed Ssegirinya, Member of Parliament, Kawempe Division North Constituency, Kampala City, for his dedicated service to the Republic of Uganda. Whereas Parliament has with deep sorrow learnt the death of Honorable Mohammed Ssegirinya, Member of Parliament for Kawempe Division North Constituency, Kampala City, which occurred on the 9th of January 2025 at Rubaga Hospital in Kampala. Recognizing that the Honorable Ssegirinya Mohammed lived an industrious life and thorough hard work, dedicated and perseverance, rose from humble beginnings to become a Member of Parliament. Further, recognizing that the Honorable Ssegirinya served in various capacities, including being Member of Parliament representing Kawempe Division North Constituency, Kampala City, to the time of his demise, Lord Councillor representing Kawempe North at State Hall in Kampala Capital City Authority from 2016 to 2021, International Coordinator of Love Uganda Foundation from 2016 to the time of his demise, and Director of Hope Children's Primary School from 2014 to the time of his demise. Appreciating that the Honorable Ssegirinya was deeply passionate about community mobilization, journalism, food security, especially in his constituency, as exemplified through his passionate advocacy for various causes, including unfortunate demise and the unfortunate news of the passing of the Honorable Mohammed Ssegirinya, Member of Parliament for Kawempe North Division constituency. The Honorable Ssegirinya has been unwell for some time, as you already know, and has been under the care of many hospitals. But breathed his last from Rubaga Hospital at 12:10 p.m. on Thursday, 9th January 2025, that is yesterday. The Honorable Ssegirinya was born on the 17th of January 1987 in Butale, Kadugala, Masaka district. He rose to prominence as a politician and a business person. Colleagues, the late Ssegirinya started his studies from Kadugala Primary School and later went to Kadugala Secondary School and Pimba Secondary School in Chebando for secondary school education. He holds a certificate in urban food experience from Netherlands. At the time of his death, colleagues, he has been pursuing a bachelor's degree in social work and social administration at the Islamic University in Uganda. Right Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Ssegirinya started his public life and service to his country as a political activist at a very young age. He later became a councillor representing Kawempe Division at Kampala Capital City Authority, where he served from 2016 to 2021. He was elected a Member of Parliament for Kawempe North Division and has been part of the 11th Parliament up to date. Right Honorable Speaker, Honorable colleagues, the Honorable Mohamed Ssegirinya has been a loving husband, father to 8 children, and supported many other children who are not his. The Right Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Ssegirinya will be remembered for his tireless dedication to public service. He always stood for his people and endeavored to work on the issues affecting the people around him. He passionately supported the women's economic independence through, among other things, establishing a savings circle group called the Chebando Community Development Association, which supported women-owned small and medium enterprises. He also participated in the promotion of community health care by establishing a health facility called
At least you can clap for what he has done, because not all of us do that.
By establishing a health facility called Kawempe North Medical Center. He was as well an international coordinator of Love Uganda Foundation. This great statesman, a befitting sitting in this house, as the law provides, and also His Excellency the President for his support to Honorable Ssegirinya through the Parliament of Uganda. The government of Uganda paid the medical bills of Honorable Ssegirinya during the course of his treatment, particularly when he was hospitalized at Aga Khan Hospital. Maybe it is fair to mention the figure, which rose to the tune of 939,268,000. This excludes other medical costs paid by government to the US and Uganda. Government wishes to extend its profound sympathies to the family, the people of Kawempe North, and the people of Uganda. Given the nature that I was trying to fill the vacuum, I'll say something outside this official statement. Colleagues, Honorable Ssegirinya is a reflection that in this country, you can rise from obscurity to significance. If you watched the media yesterday, 2 hours on television was dedicated to the Honorable Ssegirinya. Maybe not many of us would have that sort of airtime. Why? Because of the significance of his contribution to the political process of this country. In this country, Right Honorable Speaker, everything is possible. You can dream big and achieve big. And indeed, the Honorable Ssegirinya did exactly that. You may not realize, but even if you're a professor with 5 degrees, 7 degrees, it's possible you will not have one Kawempe North Division constituency. Education may not be everything. Even if you are as rich as Sudi, you may not have one Kawempe North Division constituency with Ssegirinya as a competitor. He beat all odds, humble beginning, less education, not all that moneyed, but somehow he rose to the top. He dreamed big and he achieved big. Right, Honorable Speaker, there are lessons to learn, and you don't have to have read so much. The politics of today, Honorable Ssegirinya knew it better than those who are even educated, more educated than him. Muhammad, rest in peace. I thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.